Imagine a world where an avocado isn't just a superfood, but also a super influencer in the realm of data generation. Welcome to that world, where an avocado isn't judged by its ripeness, but by its ability to connect businesses with the right people. Data has become the lifeblood of businesses in the 21st century. It's the compass that guides the ship, the rudder that steers the course. And just as a ship needs a skilled captain, businesses need a savvy data broker to navigate the vast oceans of information. Enter the avocado, not your typical fruit, but a data broker extraordinaire. This avocado doesn't just provide you with heart-healthy fats, it's also rich in valuable leads and insights. It's a data broker that specializes in connecting businesses with the right people at the right time and in the right way. So what makes this avocado so special? It's all about the approach. This avocado believes in the power of quality over quantity. Instead of flooding businesses with an overwhelming amount of data, it carefully cultivates high-quality leads that are ripe for conversion. It's about finding the right fit, not just the most numbers. But it doesn't stop there. This avocado also believes in the importance of timing. It knows that even the best lead is worthless if it's not delivered at the right moment. That's why it utilizes advanced analytical tools and predictive algorithms to identify the optimal time for contact. And finally, this avocado understands the value of personalization. It knows that every business is unique, and that a one-size-fits-all approach to lead generation simply doesn't cut it. That's why it tailors its services to meet the specific needs and goals of each client. In a world of data overload, it's easy to feel lost at sea. But remember, just as a sailor uses a compass to find their way, businesses can rely on a skilled data broker to guide them. And this avocado is ready to take the helm. So don't just settle for an
average lead broker. Pick AvocaData.
The data broker that's not just knowledgeable, but also ripe with potential. Make the first move. Reach out and discover the difference that quality, timing, and personalization can make in your lead generation strategy. Because in the world of business, the right connection can make all the difference.